Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel with Dragon Car. Today I will show you some interesting diecast and hardware cars from a carton box everyone. Now check the first one. I cannot pronounce this everyone, pronounce its name because I cannot pronounce rightly or correctly everyone. Let's go. A sweet model with the best color. Very cool everyone. Wow, look at this everyone. Very interesting. The most interesting body and the most interesting colors with the best design. Another nice truck. Breaking trails. Okay, breaking trails. The most interesting body shapes and the best colors. Look at the wheel, everyone. Look at the wheel. Oh, very nice. Now check the sound. Oh my god. Okay, everyone. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please drop me a comment, a like. If you really enjoy this, help me subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's take another interesting video next time everyone. Thank you for watching.